Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can know that what is this firing order piston in my engine, because now I have situation that there is a 4-cylinder engine and the cylinders are in line, and how I can know that what cylinder is sparking and giving spark in just specific time and just specific movement in my engine. It is easy. It happens so that firstly we have to remove the cylinder head cover, and then we have to remove also spark plugs, all of these what are in these holes in here, and I have already removed 4 of these spark plugs. And then next one is that we have to get tool like this hexagonal, this 6 millimeter Bondahus tool, what we can purchase in AutoStore centers, this tool and spare part centers, and this tool must be thin and long, like 30 centimeters, 1 feet long, and this tool fits nicely in these spark plug holes. And also we can use long these screwdrivers, what I can install in here, in that way. And these tools' purpose is to give us information that what is in most toppest cylinder, and also when this toppest cylinders cams are up, this is the sparking and this firing cylinder. And firing means that when this spark plug gives sparks in here, like fire, then this cylinder is like doing this work. There is this fire inside of these cylinders, because this tool gives fire and spark, and gasoline and air generates this inside fire. Okay, but let's check that how we can see that what of these my cylinders is now working, and it is easy. When I rotate my crankshaft, I need to really take wrench and socket that I installed that in this crankshaft, pull a field bolt, and then I rotate that in this way, and rotation is clockwise in that way. And then we go to look these my tools. Okay, and now I check that what of these my tools is most uppermost, like in here, that one. And then also I need to check that what is this cam position. Now I checked what is in up, and this is up, but these cams are down in here. And let's go to look at what means that cams are down. Okay, cams are down if there is no any dent in up, and this is like only shape in here. This is like cam is down, but in here it is up. This is cam head, and now it's like up. This is important. And let's go to check that what is this cylinder position. Now we can see that this is like cylinder 3, and when I also check that this tool is up in that way, it means now that this cylinder 3 is giving firing, because this tool is up and also these cams are up. Okay, and then let's check the next cylinder, what comes up. I rotate my crankshaft, and let's look what is now coming up. Okay, in here the cylinder 4 is coming up, and let's go to look that closer. You can see really well that this cam is up, and that is coming also, and tool is coming up, and it means now that the cylinder 4 is in firing line in that way. And now when both cams are up and this is like up, it means that this cylinder is giving now fire. Okay, that easy thing. This was this information, and now I rotate my crankshaft more that we can see that how these tools moves, and I have to only install these smaller tools in position, and in that way they goes up and down nicely. Okay, and this was my information, and thumbs up my friend, and see you in next movie.